Kittens have utterly fascinated me for a long time, and I am sure you would have felt the same too. Their quirkiness, their attitude, even those cat eyes have made me wonder how beautiful these creatures are. So this time I am going to tell you 5 facts about cat eyes, also knowing how those eyes are capable enough to leave us mesmerized with their beauty. There are so many myths out there regarding cats. So everything that I am going to share here will be backed by scientific research and will be structured in such a way that your knowledge is whole and without fragments. Now, without any further delay, let's go ahead and look into 5 amazing facts about cat eyes. Cat eyes are good in low light but can't see in absolute darkness. We know how cats have evolved from their life in wild to our domesticated environments. This may lead us to believe that cat eyes can see in total darkness. Well, this isn't entirely true. Cats can see very well in about 1/6 of the light that is required by human eyes to see properly. This happens because the cat retina has much more rods than human eyes, which implies they can capture much more light than we can. Another reason is cat eyes have a layer of tissue called tapetum lucidum which enhances perception via internal reflection. This tissue is also what makes the cat eyes shine in the dark. Cats aren't colorblind, but their color perception is limited. This is another myth that goes along as a result of limited knowledge. Cat eyes have a smaller number of cones than human eyes, and they aren't as concentrated as human eyes. Scientists say that cats perceive blue and yellows fairly well, but their discrimination capacity isn't as acute with reds and greens. This also implies that cats see color intensity at a much less level than the hues we perceive. Those intriguing vertical pupils have a special function. Any animal that remains agile and active in both day and night needs to have sustained perception of the environment around them. The pupils in cat's eyes change in accordance with the amount of light present in their surroundings. When the surrounding is sufficiently lit, pupils contract. Because light abundance is there and accordingly all perception can happen with little light input. On the other hand, when the surroundings are dimly lit, more light needs to be allowed so that proper perception of the surrounding happens. Because of the agility of these eye muscles, cats are most likely to adapt their eyes to changing light conditions. Cats' perception of details vary with range. Many people tend to believe cats have nearsightedness. No, it is not like that. It is just the concentration of rods and cones that allow cat eyes to see more of what is needed than what we think it should need. They may not see leaves and text on books the way we see them, but their vision is pretty clear to hunt a mouse or a fish when she needs it. Cat eyes in some cases may indicate that the cat may be deaf. If a cat has a white coat and blue eyes, chances are there that the cat may be deaf. It is a form of genetic defect. There is also a term called heterochromia, which literally means different colors. And it is used to designate a cat that has one eye which is blue and the other may be amber or green. Not all the time, but most of the time these cats are usually deaf, especially the blue-eyed one. Interesting, isn't it? So which among these cat eyes fact did you find amazing? Go ahead, like and comment it out in the comment section and subscribe for more such videos. Also mention the name of your cat and what color eyes he or she is having. Till then, take care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.